Today is teardown day for this 1996 Crest. This is a 22-foot, 22.5-foot boat. It's 8.5 wide. Something important to remember, measure the width of your boat just to be safe so you order all the right materials. We're gonna get to tearing this down, but let's take a look at what it's got first. It has these old style railings. We're gonna replace those with new deckmate railings. It has carpet. This boat has actually been really well taken care of for its 26 years of life. This has been under either a cover or a covered lift its entire life. So the carpet's actually in pretty okay shape. The seats we're gonna take a look at, those are starting to fade. And then the layout and design is not perfect for this boat owner. So we're gonna make it into a cruising style, get rid of the fishing seats and the parts of the boat that aren't being used to their potential. Let's climb in and take a look. One big thing to look at that makes this boat an awesome candidate, yes, it's a Crest. They're built to last forever. They're built like tanks. But look at the size of these pontoons. They're enormous, huge diameter. This boat's gonna float high no matter how many people you stack on it. Awesome candidate. Even though it's 26 years old, it's built just like the new boats in terms of flotation. Come on in, Marty. As you can see, outdated seats, they're starting to go. The vinyl's in okay shape. Some of the seams are starting to come apart though. They have a couple storage boxes that just don't get a whole lot of use. We're gonna get so much storage in the new deckmate luxury seats that are going in this boat that we don't need this extra storage here. We'll get a large console, put all the switch panels and gauges in there, and then the back of the boat is gonna be the biggest change. We're gonna have a big L seat in the back. We're gonna get rid of these fishing chairs back here. We'll put in a reclining captain's chair. It's gonna look spiffy. It's gonna look like a brand new boat, especially with those luxury seats. Vinyl floor instead of the carpet, all new plywood. This boat's gonna be ready to go another 26 years, no problem. We've got the deck mostly on. This is a cool little add-on. We've done this on a couple boats now. It's a simple structure. I weld on a piece of tube with a piece of angle. It's not going anywhere, it's really solid. And then I weld on a piece of angle here. So this last board would normally come right here to this last cross member. I added on a lip. So what's gonna be really neat is this board here is gonna sit on here, and what that does is it gives us access to one of the nice big heavy duty stainless swim ladders. Otherwise the deck ended here, and that's too big of a gap. That's about a foot or more. That's too far for the ladder to extend. Now with that last board on, you can see how we'll still have a nice square back there. The railing will come here. The fill for the gas tank will attach to the railing, but this gives us access. The door will open over here and plenty of room to get at the ladder and swim. We just wrapped up this 1996 Crest. This is an 8.5 foot wide boat, probably one of the earliest 8.5 foot wide boats there was on the market. This boat got new vinyl weave flooring in gray, got the new wide radius corner caps, new stainless cleats. We have docking lights or headlights. We have LED navigation lights on the sidewalls. We did it all on this one, including the new luxury furniture. It's available. You can go buy it right now. It's very inexpensive compared to the alternative, buying a new boat. So fix your boat up and make it look just like this one. Let's show you what's inside. One of the best ways to access the boat is that heavy duty stainless swim ladder. One of the cool things on this boat, if you look at this side, the pontoon sticks out quite a bit more than the deck. When you have your boat stripped down, you get to start with a fresh start. We were able to weld on a bracket here to extend the deck back and allow us to use this awesome stainless ladder for boarding the boat. We're gonna climb on in and show you what's on the inside. This is the gray with charcoal, that diamond inlay, luxury seating. We have a nice big back bench. The gas tank on this boat luckily is in the transom. There's a water fuel separator in there. We were able to work that in to the new railings. Sit tight, these railings will be available soon, hopefully the springtime. But the seats wrap around, huge bench space. We did two 38-inch benches with the lean back on the end, lots of space for sitting. Our captain's chair is also the luxury reclining. So we have the diamond inlay with that reclining ability, extra comfortable on a sliding adjustable seat post. We have the carbon fiber steering wheel, the Schmidt wheel, nice touch. There's a carbon fiber key switch. That was actually with the boat. We have a 6-switch panel, all the bells and whistles, your horn. This boat even has interior LEDs from pontoonstuff.com. We've got a glove box for storing your keys or wallet, whatever else you might need. And then this got the Faria Chesapeake is the series of gauges, but a full gauge kit as well. In the front, this is a really modern style. We have big wide radius corners, benches with loungers or lean backs on each side. You can have great groups of people on this boat, have people up front talking, party in the back, or everybody together just hanging out. This is what it's all about. Nice big boat, totally redone, ready for another season on the water.